Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing first look of a new Rough Rider knife that I got. This is the Rough Rider slip joint RR2677. Usually these do not have a name, so we are staying with the model number. And it is a modern interpretation of a slip joint knife. I would say similarly to the Barlow, maybe. We have an overall length of 17.1 centimeters, 6.7 inches. The blade length is 7.4 centimeters, 2.9 inches. Blade width 1.6 centimeters, 0.6 inches. Thickness 2.2 millimeters, 0.08 inches. Hand length 9.8 centimeters, 3.8 inches, with a thickness of 9.4 millimeters or 0.37 inches. That is measured without the width of the pocket clip. The blade is made out of 440A with a acid stonewashed finish, a nice drop point configuration with this nice cutout for ease of opening. The handles are made out of stainless steel bolsters, stainless steel liners, and a machined textured G10. There's a really nice grip to it, nice checkering. We have a full stainless steel back spring. Pocket clip is a nice deep carry folded stainless steel design with a little bit raised screws but nice flush. So if you don't have flat screws, then this is the next best thing you can have on a pocket clip. We have a black, I know, Zytel, maybe G10 pivot color, 90-degree half stop, nice walk and talk, snappy action. On the blade we have the model number made in China, of course, and the Rough Rider logo. This knife has also a generous 4.8 millimeter lanyard hole, and the weight comes at 71.6 grams or 2.5 ounces, so super nice lightweight. Let's check out the sharpness of the box. Yeah, decently sharp. Definitely could use a little bit of stropping to be even sharper. Now let's see the pocket profile here really quickly. For this one I will use the thicker jean pocket, just because it has a really nice white area, and yes, no problems right there. This is how much it will be sticking out, so almost nothing is showing. Nicely made. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons here. So let's bring out a Rough Rider Barlow. Then I have here the case tribal lock. Here is the venerable humble peanut. Texas toothpick. Stockman. Now let's continue with some more modern knives here. So here is the full-size Griptilian from Benchmade. Pocket Bowie from Parker Plus. CVV Rustic Gent. Small CGRB feldspar. Benchmade bug out. CGRB Pyrite Alt. Pilar 4 from CRKT. USB Penguin. CVV Elementum. Sharpie. Spiricodelica. Red Model 2, so the small one. Buck Sovereign. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So these are priced at $12.99 directly from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, which are the distributor and owner of the brand. Sometimes they are on sale. Currently, when I checked, this was on sale for $10.39, so definitely super nice price wise. Here in Europe, these are a little bit more expensive. You are looking at around 17 euros if you want one. I will try to put some links down below. Overall, it is a nice fusion of old and modern. Tradition meets a new century with decent materials. As far as pricing goes, you can definitely go no wrong with a Rough Rider knife. If you would like to experience a modern style slip joint, maybe you are in a jurisdiction where you are not able to carry in public a locking knife, then this is a really nice, inexpensive option for your daily chores, and have it with a decent pocket clip is a huge bonus in my opinion, because lots of traditional slip joint knives that do not come with a pocket clip. With that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.